Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing 95 kPa vacuum sealer machine, which is a commercial grade food sealer that promises fast sealing, stronger suction, and long lasting freshness. So, do you actually need it, or is it actually worth buying in 2026? Let's find that out in today's video. If you want to check out this product, the pricing, detail, and other specifications, the link is in the description box below. So first of all, this machine comes packed with 4 sealing modes, including dry, moist, and extra moist settings. You can also adjust the vacuum pressures depending on what you are sealing, which is going to give you more control over the delicate and juicy foods. The biggest highlight is the 95 kPa suction power, which is combined with a 125-volt motor, allowing it to seal the food in just 8 to 18 seconds. That's faster than many standard models on the market. Its other features includes double heat sealing for a stronger, more secure seal, a built-in bag roll storage and clutter, a one-hand locking handle system, and a removable drip tray for easier cleanup. In the real-world usage, the performance is really impressive. The suction is strong and tight, and both dry and moist foods seal efficiently. The manual pulse function works great for the softer items. However, it is not perfect. After multiple continuous usage, the machine can get slightly warm and may need short cooling breaks. It's also somewhat bulky, so you will need decent counter space. So when compared to the models from the Food Saver, this vacuum sealer offers more customization and stronger sealing power. Food Saver units may cost less, but they usually don't include the double heat sealing or as many models. So the 95 kPa vacuum sealer machine can be a powerful, fast, and versatile option for you. It's best suited for the large households, meal preparations, and serious food storage needs. So, again, you can just check out its link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.